I wanted to give you a little peek inside the Team Flower workshop here in the mountains of Boone, North Carolina. There are two options. At Wedding Florals, we talk business and learn design. Creative Awakening is an open studio experience. Both workshops you'll be able to create to your heart's content. Your work will be professionally photographed, and both of our workshops are hosted at a luxury cabin with beautiful views of the mountains. Make sure you bring your white for our signature dinner surrounded by all the flowers with twinkling candles, lightning bugs, and stars. This is included with your workshop ticket along with all of your meals, lodging, in an online community. You'll be hard-pressed to find a better value on the market. After this workshop, you're going to walk away with new industry friendships, creative ideas for your business, and a new sense of confidence in your design work. There's nothing quite like experiencing a Team Flower workshop, and we look forward to welcoming you this summer.